Okay, we have more timing troubleshooting on my DT250. I think the consensus is that I probably have a bad condenser, but Mark had a question on my procedure for timing. The old video that I did ran out right before kind of the critical moment of setting the timing. So I'm going to show my timing procedure one more time, and you guys can verify that I'm doing this right. So I have a dial micrometer put into the engine in a brass block. So these Yamahas, it's a 74 DT250, they turn in a counterclockwise rotation as normal. So I'm just going to turn normal rotation. You'll see that the piston is coming up. And then we've just hit top dead center there. So Zoe, if you can zoom in now. I've centered the face of my dial so that it's right at the 0. And so now what I want to do is find 3.2 millimeters before that point, but since that's it's not metric, it's 0.126 inches that I'm going to do. So I am now going to turn, we can zoom out now. So what I'm now going to do is turn the magneto clockwise, which is opposite rotation. So I'm going backwards. In other words, I'm going before top dead center. One full turn of this dial is the 0.1 that I need of the 0.126. So I'm going to go clockwise. There's my 0.1, 0.11, 0.12, and then this little marker right here is the 0.126 that I want. So it's at this point right here where I'm wanting my points to start to open. And so what I'm going to do, as Mark said, I'm going to continue to go before top dead center even more than that. So right now the points should be fully closed, and as I turn the motor counterclockwise, which is normal operating, once it hits this point right here, the points should begin to open. And so I'm going to plug in my, my bulb, just plugging it directly into the black wire out of the magneto, so it's an indicator of when the points are closed and open. You can see it's a bright bulb because the points are closed, so it's got a strong ground. I'm turning the motor counterclockwise, and right there, it's going out. So you see that right at my timing mark. And I'm not even sure it's 1,000th off. I mean, I think to the 1,000th of an inch, my timing is perfect. The points are opening, and so so it's losing the connection to ground. That's why the bulb gets dim. And then right back here, they're once again closed. So in normal rotating position. So again, that's my timing procedure. I'm pretty sure it's solid. Also pretty sure it's a bad condenser, but I'll post this and let you guys verify that that is indeed correct. Thanks.